Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I'm doing great. I just got done doing my Ipsy versus Ipsy and woo, I got some amazing bags. I just have to say, they were amazing. So now I have an Ipsy Glam bag plus for you. And I'm hoping that this one follows suit and it's just as doggone good. If not better, cross your fingers. Let's get into this wonderful box. Say a prayer. So if you don't know anything about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is $27 a month. I believe so. I'll leave all the stuff you need to know, all the deets down below. And you can click on the link and go ahead and get yourself one of these boxes because, well, why not? And I also have signed up to get the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate because, well, I gotta have more beauty products because, well, I like beauty products. I'm just a fanatic. I don't know. I'm crazy. And I'm a glutton for punishment. So let's get into this box right here because I cannot wait any longer. I have got to know what the heck is in here because I did not peek. I need to know. I need to know. Let's see. I already undid it and I've been holding it closed so I can't see it. So let's go. I seen something. Uh-oh. Don't fall out. Don't fall out. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. Let's see. Where's my paper at? It says, hey, stop falling. It says, find your light. September is all about new paths. Well, this is the same as the other thing, as the Ipsy Glam bag, regular glam bag. So here's all my stuff, and here's all my stuff, and it says that September is all about new past possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? And it says hashtag discover yourself. So let's see what we have in here. Okay. Oh, apartment APT Apto skincare antioxidant mask with pomegranate. There's that. Backed by top esthetician, Apto removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas like the soothing antioxidant-rich mask. Azelaic acid, I think that's how you say that. Azelaic, I think that's how you say it. Gently removes dead skin cells, while pomegranate and green tea help calm inflammation and restores balance. And then it says, in need of post-sun repair, apply a thin layer to overexposed skin and let it sit for 10 minutes before it dries down. Gently rinse and follow up with a moisturizer. Oh, okay. I have so many masks. But there is you always get a full on, and there is a safety seal. I am not going to open this right now because I already have so many. So this is just going to get in line behind the rest of them because I am not going to keep opening them and then they just go bad before you can get to use them. So it's going to get in line with the rest of them. Very nice. I am happy to have it. Join my mask family. Okay, and then we have Ciate, I think that's how you say it, Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Oh, and the value of that skincare mask is $36. I wouldn't walk into a store and buy that. Ciate London Extraordinary Powder, Ultra Blendable Translucent Powder from Formula Driven Innovators. Ciate London is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. And this is $22. Well, let's see what... Jerk. You jerk. It does not want to come out of the package. I can never get these out of the package. Maybe it's trying to tell me something. It's trying to say, don't open me. Oh, it's a very beautiful package. Oh, that is very pretty. Very pretty packaging. Now that I have destroyed the box, like I'm gonna smell anything. There's what I don't know why I even did that. I'm such a dork. And it says extraordinary on there, and it comes with some little instructions. Maybe that's why I couldn't get the darn thing open. I'm gonna put them in the bottom this time so that I can, if I have to get it open again, I can get it open. Darn thing. Did not want to open. Okay, well, I'm not going to take any safety seals off of that as well because I already have a bunch of this open too. And when you do these videos, you open everything and you take safety seals off, and then by the time you get around to using them, they've expired or they're no good, or, you know, it's a waste. So the value of that is $22. And then we have a Ofra Cosmetics Madison Miller Squad Palette. Multitaskers Rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab from Ofra Cosmetics and content creator Madison Miller is all about that go glow, highly pigmented and a cinch to blend. This rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what we have. Oh crap. Something's wrong. It's a mess in there. See it? I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a mess. It's a hot mess. Something's broke. Oh no. Oh, yeah, I see it. So it must be broke. Damn it. Come on. I can't get it. Okay, I got it. Oh, yep. It's broken. It's broke. Darn it. I'll try to fix it. I won't be able to fix it. I don't know why I'm trying to fix it. There it is. It's broke. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to email them. But anyway, yeah, it's broken right there on the... That one is broke. Darn it. It just seems like that's my luck, you know? I have the darndest luck with some things. But from what I understand, they are really good. Ipsy is a pretty good company, so they should fix it for me. Anyway, well, I mean, I can still use that, right? It can still be used. But there it is. It's still pretty colors. Let's see, we can still swatch it, right? We can still swatch away. Oh, that one. It's coming right out. Anyway, we're gonna swatch still. Let's see here. There. I still swatched. Very pretty colors. They are very pretty. Yeah, that one's, the whole pan came right out. I pushed it back in the thing. But yeah, the whole pan came right out. So anyway, it's very pretty. There, we'll just put some on her face there. How about that? There. Looks beautiful. There. It's still pretty. There we go. I do like the colors. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. And then we have some Ilamasqua. I think that's how you say it. Antimatter lipstick in Solar. These beloved Brit purveyors of cruelty-free beauty know a thing or two about going bold. For example, this non-drying lipstick, non-drying, why would you want wet lipstick all the time? In Poppy Coral swipes on with an immediate color payoff. Its vitamin E infused formula conditions lips for a creamy application. I'm not so much a lipstick wearer, more of a lip gloss girl. But, you know, it is what it is. Very nice package. Oh my goodness gracious. Woohoo! That is very, very red. But yeah, I'm not going to be watching that or putting that on. I probably will be doing a giveaway soon, and that will go in a giveaway sooner or later, more sooner. But there that is. And we have a palette in here, and it is from Nomad Cosmetics and Berlin Underground. Oh, that lipstick's $27. I wouldn't pay that much for that either. And the Ofra, the broken palette, was $35 for that palette. That's craziness. Anyway, $37 for this palette, and this is Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Inspired by Berlin's rebellious 90s counterculture, this 15-shade palette features metallic matte and duochrome hues like distressed black, burnt orange, and snakeskin green. Hemp seed oil nourishes lids and with a buttery soft feel and serious color payoff. Oh boy. So here is that. And there's the back with all of the colors. And this is special edition Ipsy, not for sale. Let's see if I can get this open without an incident. There's that. The back of it. Let's see if I can wipe my hands off. Okay. Ooh. Take the film off of there. And there we go. How is that? Wow. Yeah, there's definitely some yeah, it looks like my box had quite the time getting here. This is not broke, but there's some what do you call it? Dust all over it. There we go. There we are. So try and get it up close so you can pause it if you want to read the names. There we go. Krusenberg, So 36, The Wall, Eastside Gallery, Techno, NDW, Helden, Poor But Sexy, Takals, Love Parade, Club Knot, Hansa, another word I can't even say, another word, and another. Some of these are, you just can't even say the names, but very nice. I mean, there's some dark colors, and I don't know if I got it close enough, but if you can see, it has a skull on each and every one of them. I don't know if you can see it really good or not, but there's a skull on the eyeshadows. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So that is it for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month. And I have to say that I am very happy with this one as well. So I am so thrilled that I signed back up for my BoxyCharm, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and my Ipsy bags again, because I had canceled all of them at one point because I had just had enough of the repeats. So if you would like to get your own Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I'll leave the link below, and you can head on over to Ipsy and get your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, your Ipsy bag, and now an Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, because that'll be coming out. I believe they said October 1st that they're going to be doing Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I cannot wait for that. I at least want to get it one time to see what it is, and then if it's better than Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then I might just stick with the Ultimate and be done with all of the, I think I might just do that. So, like I said, if you are not yet subscribed, consider hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget how much I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will be announcing a giveaway very, very shortly. So don't forget to watch for that video soon. And I think that's it. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. I gotta get ready for work. Somewhere, somebody needs a drink. So I'll see ya. Bye now.